The article that I'd like to critique today is one that written by Aftar, Trusaka, and Irath. It was published in 2019 and it relates to my previous topic, which is the Philippine National REDD Plus strategy. The paper entitled REDD Plus Implementation in Community-Based Muyong Forest Management in Ifugao, Philippines depicts how the society-renowned Ifugao rice terraces are protected by a primitive woodland structure in the Philippines, by which such model has allowed for the common usage of territory and the Muyong forest without inflicting severe harm to the soil. As a background, Muyong Forest is a privately owned and managed woodlot situated above the rice terraces. This system provides vital regulatory services to the rice terraces by supplying stable water. In synthesis of the article, the niche, which include deforestation, eviscerate, rice mills import, and environmental degradation, led to analyzing the agroforestry techniques in the Muyong Forest and the REDD plus mechanism. In terms of the premise, the purpose of the research is vitally accurate when compared to the position and embedded relevant literatures in the field. The Philippines is without a doubt among the most vulnerable countries in the Southeast Asia region. Muyong is a vital component of industrial systems, and it serves as the primary source of energy replenishment for the whole systems of operation. In spite of the fact that it is a recharging zone for the supply chain, the problem of how it fails to provide water to other elements of the project and how it is inadequate in maintaining stability is not explained thoroughly, leading to further confusion and how the REDD Plus program may be practical, reasonable, and long-lasting. To be sure, the evidences presented in the study contribute to enhance the efficiency logic, but the congruence between the socio-demographic characteristic of Ifugao villages and their overall quality of life is left unexamined and uncompared. There is a gap in the critical analysis regarding how community-based forest management strategies can be used as part of the REDD Plus program. While the article claims to minimize tropical deforestation by providing subsistence for the local communities, the CBFM initiative in the Philippines was established decades ago and has had little impact. Excellent inference is shown by the author's remark that one of the difficulties of influencing the long-term survival of the rice terraces system is the increasing attitude among young people that rice terrace system lifestyle is boring and overly labor-intensive. For the flaws in the article, there is no denying that the implications and relationship between the Muyong and the rice terraces system in Ifugao are well examined, and that the system is in fact under danger. There is a great deal of detail in the author's description of how this invention has generated an opportunity for REDD Plus in the region and how local people inside the research site may play a significant role in forest protection. In conclusion, I believe that given the absence of an indigenous youth group from the stakeholder identification process, it is necessary to approach the issue with a long-term perspective. The outward movement of people poses a hazard to more than just the loss of forest carbon. It also possesses a threat to the loss of indigenous knowledge that has been accumulated over thousands of years by indigenous societies.